Hello and welcome to Hasebikes. I'm Dario and in this video I'll be explaining how to use and mount the PINO Lowrider.
Our lowrider has been specially designed for the PINO and is mounted under its recumbent seat. The rack can hold one small and one large pannier on each side. The maximum load is 25 kg.
The assembly of the lowrider takes place in several steps.
First, the mounting bracket is attached to the lower tube. If the PINO has a motor, you can start by removing the battery and battery lock cover to make the installation process easier. Next, apply medium strand thread locker to the threaded pin, screw the pin into the front hole and then tighten it. The threaded pin is secured using the non-locking nut with a washer. Now the mounting bracket can be placed over the threaded pin. It is secured to the frame using the lock nut with a washer. Before tightening the nut, make sure that the bracket is pushed as far forward as possible. Tighten the nut and press on the plastic cap. After reattaching the battery lock cover, you can mount the lowrider. First, we will be attaching the right side to the right seat mount. Open the lower quick release fastener, pull it out and use it as a mounting point for the side tube of the lowrider. Next, attach the side tube to the mounting bracket using 2 screws. After the left side tube has been mounted in the same manner, you can use additional washers if necessary to even out the tolerances between the side tubes and the mounting bracket on both sides. Now place the connecting tube between the 2 side tubes of the lowrider. Secure it using the 2 flathead screws. Lastly, retighten the quick release fastener that was opened in order to ensure a secure connection to the frame. Thanks to the lowrider's special design, it will not restrict the range of steering even when you're riding with a shorter wheelbase. Furthermore, the rack doesn't need to be removed when the PINO frame is fully shortened for transport.
I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. We've included a link to a detailed user manual in the notes beneath the video. For more information about the products, visit hasebikes.com.